What's up guys, this is Dharani Thurakia of Fahrenheit Salon. When it comes to hair, thin just isn't in. Big, fat, bouncy, luscious curls is what draws all the eyeballs. So if you're struggling with volume in your hair, we're about to reveal an expert bag full of tricks to plump up those locks. My top picks for volumizing shampoos would be the Bar Densite from Kérastase and Volumetry shampoo from L'Oréal Professionnel. A volumizing shampoo makes a lot of difference when it comes to boosting the volume. The technology behind a professional volumizing shampoo works on swelling each hair strand to twice its normal size, hence giving you the illusion of fuller, thicker looking hair. For volumizing conditioners would be the Mars Densite from Kérastase and the Volumetry conditioner from L'Oréal Professionnel. A lot of women with fine hair shy away from using a conditioner as they fear that it will weigh down their already limp hair. However, conditioning after shampoo is essential for maintaining the quality of the hair. The trick is to using a volumizing conditioner which is much lighter than normal conditioners and also works in tandem with a volumizing shampoo to plump up the length of the hair. Apply the conditioner only on the ends, avoiding the roots altogether. So here are some tips on how to do a voluminous blow dry. First, shampoo and condition your hair with a volumizing blow dry and then towel dry your hair. Take a volumizing mousse, shake the can well and spray a mandarin size amount of dollop of the mousse onto the palm of the hand. Spread through the hair with comb and fingers. If possible, use a nozzle as that helps direct the flow of the air. When blow drying, aim the blow dryer at the roots of the hair. If you're not comfortable using a round brush, simply tip the hair down and blow dry your hair from roots to ends. If you are wary of applying heat to your hair or blow drying regularly, you can use Velcro rollers half an hour to an hour before setting out, especially in the front section. You can apply gentle heat on the Velcro rollers with a blow dryer if you want them to set faster, or just leave them on longer for them to volumize your hair naturally. If you are struggling with limp and fine hair, don't go for length, as this kind of hair generally ends up looking straggly and unhealthy at the ends. Go for a cut with shorter layers around the crown section and the face, and this will naturally plump up the hair. So that's it. Those were pro tips for boosting the volume. Hope you found those tips useful. We will be coming up with more content on hairstyling and skincare. So stay tuned, do like, share and subscribe. Bye.